Hello! Are you excited? Because in this course, we're gonna learn Next.js inside and out. Now, before we get started, I always want to lay out a roadmap of where we start and where we're going to end up, so you know exactly how you're going to succeed with this course. So what does this course cover? Well, it's a lot. We start off with the Next.js fundamentals. We're going to talk about why was Next.js even created? Why is it useful? Why is it growing in popularity like crazy? And we're going to compare it to React. Why you should pick it over using, let's say, Create React app. And why Next.js has become so popular with the Jamstack movement. This is a great part if you're already familiar with React, but even if you're not too familiar with React, we make sure that we have some introductory content for you so that you know which one to pick when and essentially understand the benefit of Next.js. From there, we don't dilly-dally. We go straight into building our first project, the Coffee Connoisseur project. This project is meant to teach you the fundamentals of Next.js and working together to build something right away, using things like CSS modules, fast refresh, and having a professional project setup. We're going to learn about routing, about styling our apps. And then we're also going to dive into topics that go beyond just the fundamentals or the basics. We're going to talk about hydration, SEO, the different rendering techniques in Next.js. We're going to use big terms like static site generation, server-side rendering, incremental site regeneration, how they're different, how do they differ from client-side rendering. You're going to know all of that by the end of this section and think intelligently about building Next.js applications. And we're going to be using the Foursquare API to grab real-life coffee store location around the world. But we're not done yet. We're also going to talk about serverless functions. Why do we use them and when? We're going to create serverless functions to retrieve data. And this next part I'm really excited about because there aren't many courses that cover this topic. Airtable. It's a super exciting database storage that is taking the development world by storm. It's growing like crazy and it's going to blow your mind how we can use Airtable as our database and build really amazing projects. Trust me, you're going to love this section. And then we're going to learn about something called SWR. It's a React hooks library that was built by the Next.js team. And if you're building a professional Next.js app, you need to use SWR. It's a way for us to build fast and reactive components. You're going to learn all about it. But once we understand the importance of Next.js, how to build the Next.js apps, well, a big chunk of the course is all about building a professional big application. And for that, we have a really exciting one. It's a Netflix clone that we're going to build, or as I like to call it, Nextflix. That's right. As you saw in the promo video, this is going to be a really exciting project. And we're going to do a lot of things. We're obviously going to use CSS modules to make our app look exactly like Netflix. We're even going to teach you how to use Framer Motion. Trust me, that's going to be a fun part. But obviously, we're going to talk about things like authentication. We're going to teach you how to do passwordless login. We're going to teach you how to do incremental site regeneration. And then we're going to start using Hasura. Specifically, we start using Hasura to use GraphQL in this project. We're also going to do authentication with Hasura so that you understand how auth flow architecture works and introduce this idea of a server-side SDK to log the user in. And obviously, we're going to have a professional deployment to production. We're going to use Vercel for this. And throughout the entire course, we're going to keep performance in mind. We're going to show you how to build performant Next.js applications because that's where they shine. Now, if this wasn't exciting enough, even though I've already mentioned it, I have to mention it again because I swear I get a million questions every time about this. Yes, we're using React hooks in this course. But more importantly, throughout the course, we're going to keep this idea of SEO in mind. Because Next.js is great for search engine optimization. And throughout the course, we're going to emphasize this point. Now, finally, the best thing about the course is not the course itself. It's our community. We have one of the largest developer community online. And we have a Discord server just for ZTM students where you get to partner with other students that are doing the course at the same time as you. You get to communicate with instructors like myself and Ankita to ask questions, to just say hi, or just talk about the latest and greatest in technology. And most students say that this is the best part of our courses. So yeah, we're very excited to start this course with you. I hope you are too. You now have a clear roadmap to success. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get started, and we'll see you inside the course.